This past week in Bitcoin felt intense. Did you feel it or was it just me? Earlier in the week, Bitcoin sold off sharply. Phew. Prices dropped fast, sentiment turned negative, and a lot of investors rushed to the exits. Hopefully, it wasn't you. That kind of move usually happens when fear peaks and people sell not because of new information, but because of reacting emotionally. Then something happened. Bitcoin bounced, ending the week near price levels that have historically acted as a floor. No guarantees that this is the floor, but historically it acted as a floor. At the same time, trading activity showed that most of the heavy selling had already taken place. In plain terms, in simple terms that I understand, many of the people who wanted to sell had already sold. That doesn't guarantee prices go straight up from here, though. No guarantees. We don't have a crystal ball. We don't have an eight magic eight ball that says, "Oh, this is what's going to happen." But it does suggest that the market may have worked through the worst of the panic. Maybe, at least for now. At least we can say that. I can say that confidently, just because we're done with the week. I don't know what's going to happen next week. Bitcoin is changing. Bitcoin today is no longer driven mainly by retail hype or internet cycles. It's increasingly shaped by institutions such as there's a company called Strategy, and I'm sure other central banks, maybe I don't know. ETFs, regulated platforms, and professional investors now play a major role in how money flows in and out of this Bitcoin market. But wait, let me ask you, is this really what we should be, what should be at the forefront of our minds? Is this what truly matters in our lives? I tell you, no. Our return on investment, our eternal reward is that it's eternal. So let's hear the word of John. Do not love the world or the things in the world. If anyone loves the world, the love of the Father is not in him. For all that is in the world, the desires of the flesh, the desires of the eyes, and the pride of life, is not from the Father, but is from the world. And the world is passing away along with its desires. But whoever does the will of God abides forever. First John chapter 2 verses 15 to 17. So, hear Jesus' words. Do not lay up for yourselves treasures on earth where moth and rust destroy and where thieves break in and steal, but lay up for yourselves treasures in heaven where neither moth nor rust destroys, and where thieves do not break in and steal. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Matthew chapter 6, verses 19 to 22. Therefore, brothers and sisters, you who are listening, let us work together to be found ready and presentable, because the day is coming when no one can work. There is a day coming when we cannot work anymore. These days that we've been given, let us use them wisely and invest in what? In the work that God has laid out for each and every one of us. Don't delay. Don't be deceived. Don't waste another day. Remember the words of John. Do not love the world or the things in the world.